How to make a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your 3 fingers. Form an X and turn over. Insert the hook into the first strip of yarn and grab the second strip. Twist the hook. Grab the second strip into the twisted chain. Now, remove your fingers and tighten the ring. Pull the smaller end to tighten the ring. Now your magic ring is ready. You can go around and create single crochet stitches or double crochet stitches around the ring. You can refer to your pattern and find out the number of stitches you will have to add around the ring. Once this is done, you can finally slip stitch into the first stitch and then finally tighten the tail end.